Today I will be showing you how to add buttons in Card. To start, look for the option that says Add an element. Click on it to open the list of elements that you can add to your card. Next, select Buttons from the available options. Buttons are useful because they allow you to add a clickable link that viewers can easily go to, such as a website, social media page, or any external resource. After adding the button, you can customize its appearance. Adjust the size, color, shape, and text to match the overall design of your card. You can also edit the link to make sure it directs viewers to the correct destination. Once you're happy with how the button looks and functions, you can continue arranging your elements to complete your card layout. And that's how you add buttons in Card. Thank you for watching.